Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Dayton, Ohio. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located directly off Interstate 675 outside of Dayton, this hotel features free Wi-Fi access. Dayton city center is 10 miles away. A cable TV is offered in every room at the Days Inn Dayton South. They are styled in light colors and wood furnishings. Laundry facilities and free local calling are also offered. The University of Dayton is 11 miles from the hotel. Yankee Trace Golf Club is 15 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.